Good morning, Oak Park. I'm Ben. It's Friday, February 23rd.
And I'm Roman. We will be tuning in every Friday and Monday during advisory for your cutting-edge news. Today's classes are shortened due to today's Black History Month assembly. At 2:05, classes will be dismissed by intercom to go to the main gym for the assembly.
Be sure you go see Oak Park Feeder's TFAC production of Steel Magnolias in the Little Feeder tonight. Tickets are $5 cash only at the door, and all proceeds are going to American Diabetes Association and their Planet D camp for kids with type 1 diabetes.
Science Olympiad has regionals tomorrow at William Jewell. Good luck to all of you who are competing.
Next week, issue 3 of the Northman Log magazine will be delivered to classrooms. Be sure to pick up your copy at the end of next week.
Orchestra plays its pre-festival concert on Tuesday, February 27th at Staley High School.
Extreme Test Day is coming soon. Juniors and seniors will be taking the ACT. Other grades will be taking other important tests. Be sure you're ready for the morning of Tuesday, March 12th, Northman.
The junior class invites juniors and seniors to the prom. The theme is Tangled in Memories. The dance runs from 8 p.m. to 11 p.m. at the View, Saturday, April 27th at Briarcliff.
And thank you for watching. I'm Ben.
And I'm Roman, signing off for all of us here at the Axe. We'll see you again this Friday for more cutting-edge news.
And as always, be ready to be ready, respectful, and responsible. It's that the Oak Park way.